do you do? Let's play Puyo.
Well, aren't you hyper today?
Of course I am. The champion gets a wishing medal.
Huh. What kind of magician relaxes on such laziness? Surely you're capable of granting your wish with your own power.
I wish. I'm not yet good enough to cast whatever I please. I need more practice and lots of it. Besides, isn't it your own power to make stuff that'll work?
You make a good point. But without power, it's merely only the casting pearls before swine. So I feel that the most qualified person is none other than me.
I guess so we're not forgetting it. Now let's play the first Puyo match.
I just wanna be part of your
Schezo! I see I can know your face, even if it's Schezo Weeby.
I know well how to fight you up. Your flattery only embarrasses me.
We're really genuinely glad to see you again.
Truly? Then perchance will you grant my request at long last?
Your request? What was it again?
Don't mock me!
Well, how about jogging my memory?
Be my desire!
Oh yeah, that. Oh, you creeper you.
I'm looking for a friend who is lost in the dark.
I missed that. Wait, say it again.
Can I really? Then I want you! Be my desire! Be all mine!
Just like old times. Let's play Puyo with Schezo the Creeper.
Well, there's your recording for Schezo. Well, for Miss Puyo and T.
Creeper. Oh man.
Well, you know what? I have two words for you. 6-7.